Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please think about hitting that subscribe button. It helps me out and you get to see more videos. If you've already been with me before, thanks very much. It's great to have you back with me. Keep with the channel. I'm doing my best to give you some good stuff and hopefully you like what we're doing. But today, the postman has been. So first off, we're going to open them up, just give you an idea of what we've got, and then after that we'll end up doing a little bit more of an in-depth of what we've got and what we're going to do with it. But before we do any of that, let's roll the intro. So, after that intro, let's have a look at the boxes. Okay, so we have a big box here. Well, the biggest of the two, let's say. This is from a place called Caprimoto. Okay, Caprimoto from Italy. Okay, so we'll open this first, we'll have a look in it. Oh. Okay, so a bit of package. Okay, that's no good, that can go. One HF 650 high flow filter. My God, high flow filter. It's an oil filter, so that is for the KTM. And then we did speak about this before, and hopefully I've ordered the right ones. We have Brembo brake pads. One set per caliper. Just put that down out the way and we'll go on to our next parcel. It's like Christmas. Okay, now this is AliExpress. For those of you that say, well, it's AliExpress, you can get some good stuff there. And if I open this up, we'll have a quick look. Motorbike bicycle anti-theft alarm. So you may or may not have seen something like this before. So we have an alarm unit. This thing, if it moves around, it goes off. So that's that. And then in the box, I'll get this open somehow, is a remote control for the said alarm. This is a vibration sensor, alarm and fob, and we're going to be putting that together and having a look at it and seeing exactly how it works. But this, we're going to come back in the morning, which will for you mean within seconds, and we'll have a closer look at this So, I hope you've enjoyed that little video. I hope you're going to stick with us. Hit that subscribe button and everything else that everybody else says. But it's true. If you don't do that, my videos don't get pushed. So, subscribe if you will. And we'll speak to you, actually, within seconds. But it'll be tomorrow, really. Hello and welcome back. So, as I said to you, it was last night, but a couple of seconds ago. So if you remember, this is the motorbike bicycle anti-theft alarm, remote alarm and displacement sensor. So it goes off if it moves. So what I'm going to do is get this thing back out the box and we're going to just go through it with you. So there is the actual unit that does the noise. That's the alarm. We'll put that there for a second, and then inside this box then is another box, and in here we have the remote control, cable ties, the USB-C charger, so that can go back in the box for now, because this lad is an actual USB charger, a USB, so this lad is actually charged via USB, so you don't have to worry about going in and changing batteries. They reckon you've got a shelf life if you don't use it of 6 months. And then also in the bottom of this box are 2 double-sided sticky pads to stick that somewhere convenient. Okay, so that's what's in the box. There is also, oh, I forgot to mention, there is also, which I better get out, the instructions on what to do. And normally, as a man, we don't normally bother with those, but it is a little bit complicated. I'm going to just keep it with me in case I need to refer to anything. Okay, so we'll have a look now at the other camera and we'll take a closer view of what we've got. So here we have the unit. Might even take you off there, make this a bit easier. So the remote and the unit. Basically this gets charged and we use this then in different ways. So let's just go through it. Now I will warn you, this is quite loud, 113 decibels I think it is or something. So the first thing is, if we press the bell, this is supposed to be a function where find your car, find your bike or whatever, the alarm goes off when you press this. It's also maybe some kind of like a personal attack alarm, I think I've seen it said. So we press that once. That gives you an idea of where the actual alarm is, i.e. on your bike or in your car or whatever. And then we've got this little lightning bolt thing, so if I press that, that gives you 3 options, and those 3 options are for that initial find my car, find my bike remote. So I've got it on that high pitch one, which I'll just do again with the bell. Okay, and then we've got the lock and the unlock. So if I press the lock, you see the tone goes up, and then you get one sound there to say it's armed. And then if I press this now, or if I move this, it goes off to tell you that the bike's been moved. And if I do it again, then the alarm goes off. all I need to do then is switch off from here. Now if I want to turn that off altogether, and the tone going down shows that the thing has been switched off. So we'll do it one more time just so you know, and this is quite loud here. I will probably mute this to make it easier for you guys. So press it to switch the alarm on. It goes up in tone. You get one beep to show you that it's alarmed, and then if it gets moved, you get told that it's moved, 2 beeps, and then within 2 to 12 seconds, if it's moved, then the alarm goes off. So, quite loud. We'll switch it off. There we go. And that's the thing. That's the alarm and the fob. This is going to be just in case you've got this bike somewhere, say you've, I don't know, stopped for a coffee somewhere, or you're at a meet or whatever, you can click this on and then you'll know then if the bike gets moved. The audible alarm will hopefully put somebody off. If somebody comes to move your bike, the alarm will go off, and that sound is enough a lot of the time for people to go and leave it. Hopefully you'll never have to check it or test it in reality. But if you do, then that's how you're going to do it. I think this is a real good, cheap version. I've had it on the last God knows how many bikes, and I've got the thing also in other places around. So I can guarantee, because I have used this particular system for the last 5 years maybe, it's loud, and it's definitely keeping on your bike, because first off, you can have, tell your insurance company that you have a motion sensor detector and alarm that you've fitted. And second off, believe it or not, the good thing is the price. This thing from AliExpress has just cost me, I think it was €15. And I know I've had them on other bikes and they've lasted quite a long while, so I'm hoping this will do the same. Anyway, hopefully you see what I've done and you think it's worth spending a few bob. Hopefully I'm going in the right direction. If I am, don't forget, I'd appreciate it. Hit the like button, subscribe and share. If you've already subscribed, thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next vid. So don't forget, be safe, be good, and we'll see you on the road.